You're setting off, it's time to go, the engine's running. My mind is lost, we always knew this day was coming. Now it's more frightening than it's ever going to be. We grow apart, I watch you on the red horizon. The lion's heart will protect you in the stormy skies. And I will always be listening for your laughter and your tears. As soon as I can hold you once again, I won't let go of you, I swear. We lived through scars this time, but I made up my mind. We can't leave us behind anymore. Your hands are cold, your lips are turning blue, you're shaking. This fragile heart, so heavy and my chest is breaking. And in the dark, you try to make a brief phone call to me. You're miles away, you're breaking up, you're on your own. It's hard to take, I need an hour just to say hello. But I can't make the truth of this work out for you and me. And for all the pennies in your pocket, we barely get a second just to speak.